I just wanted to point something out that I think is important. 3G, 4G, to upgrade from 3G to 4G or even from 2G to 3G was a physical hardware swap out on the cell tower. And you might ask yourself, well, Wayne, with the advent of 5G, what is going to happen when 6G comes around? The beauty about 5G is that the next upgrade would only require software. It would not require a hardware upgrade. And that's important because this probably is going to be the last real massive hardware upgrade on cellular towers throughout this country. So yes, we got to go through a little bit of pain right now because they got to swap those hardware radios out from 3G to 5G. But going forward, it's not going to be a hardware upgrade, it's going to be a software upgrade. And speaking about hardware, I just want to draw your attention. This is our Neo 2. It's got a dual port. It is what is called a Category 4. And so compared to, let's say, the Category 1, or the category, in this case, the Category M1, this is a much faster speed. It is a dual SIM dynamic failover. What that means is that if you're connected to a Verizon tower and for whatever reason it loses connection to that Verizon tower, it will dynamically fail over within seconds to an AT&T tower. It also has self-healing logic in it that's built into the firmware. So if it loses a connection, not only does it dynamically switch over, there's no need to do a truck roll. It will heartbeat the tower over and over again until it finds a connection. And it is just a workhorse. We have literally thousands of these out there in the field connecting all sorts of things from digital signs to kiosks to self-help checkout kiosks. Just a plethora of equipment that might require a little more data. And when I say a little more data, maybe more than 100 megs, 200 megs on average per month. But this is a workhorse. If you are using less than 200 megs a month, then Chris, the Milo is your piece of hardware.
Couple great options there. And as you said, there's certain devices that some are built for speed, some are built for connectivity and reliability, some are built to penetrate, and some are built to utilize a new part of the network that is new with 5G called the Cat-M, or machine-to-machine portion of the network. This is a dedicated portion of the network that will carry a lot of the IoT devices. Instead of being intermingled like it does today with 3G or 4G traffic, everything's intermingled together. If we're at a concert and I'm trying to do an ATM transaction or vend something at from a point of sale terminal, I'm competing with Wayne on TikTok at sending out his videos to all of his fans.
Several hours per day, by the way. TikTok, several hours, yeah.
So we have a bunch of devices, is what we're really getting at. The Cat-M or Milo device, this, by the way, has magnetic feet, so it can just literally be placed right inside a device that you might have inside a kiosk or enclosure, etc. But this utilizes that very specific part of that network that does not see that heavy traffic, does not get interfered with when there's network congestion or activity up and down. Slow, steady, slow by design. That's intentional, meant to be slow. Another device here, this is our 4600 device. Again, has multiple SIMs. We call that SIM select. It allows us to change a carrier in the field. Has multiple Ethernet ports, so you can connect more than one device, say a digital sign plus your application or whatever it might be, or even two applications side by side. Great for ATM, great for point of sale industries, very reliable product as well, workhorse. Great option to upgrade to if you are in one of those industries.
Especially if you're in the ATM industry, because that one has terminal ID capture. So you can take advantage of that. That's built into our 4600.
Yeah. Now, of course, every device we sell comes with our cloud hosted service that we call Summit. Summit's a back-end platform that allows you to see everything about the device, about the location, its health, its uptime, downtime, any type of problem that it might have. You're going to see it in Summit, and we can provide more information for that as well. a couple great options.
Exactly, and you might have a question about warranty. Wayne, if I'm not, leasing this piece of equipment or on an OpEx model and I just buy it, that is an option. You can buy it outright. It comes automatically with a 3-year warranty. And that is, you give us a call, we ask you a couple of questions, and then we ship you a new device overnight to be on site. We understand that if your equipment is not working, your equipment is down. We realize that, and so we do everything in our power to get something on your doorstep as quickly as possible.
Yeah, if you've never had to work with our customer support, customer service center, consider yourself lucky. If you've ever had to work with our customer support, consider yourself lucky that it was us and not somebody else. Incredible staff and team on site, on hand, ready to go, resolve your issues, lickety split, right quick. So very useful.
And we do the customer service right out of our office here in Kaysville, Utah, just north of Salt Lake City. We're ready to answer your phone calls 24/7, 365. You can call us 2 a.m. at night, 2 p.m. during the afternoon. We don't care. We'll answer the phone for you. You can call us Christmas morning. If you have a problem, we're there to answer your phone calls. But more relevant probably in this case, if you have any questions at all about your 3G to 4G conversion upgrade plan, you can call us on our 800 number. You can talk to one of our account managers. But more importantly, we have a dedicated team right now that is mandated and made responsible to help you with your upgrade plan. So give us a call and we'll sit down with you over the phone or Zoom if you prefer, and we'll start helping you walking through your upgrade path.